So one of the things that you can go ahead and utilize Claude for is to create frameworks. So it can be technical frameworks or business frameworks as you need. For example, over here, you can simply go ahead and say, let's say I am launching, let's say, an online course business. Let's say, for example, so I'm going to say suggest a strategic business framework I can use to plan growth over the next 12 months. Let's say, for example, right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say give me visual framework right here. So once I go ahead and do that and hit send, I gave it a bit of a guideline, as you can see, and I'm asking it for a visual framework. And once you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and then study out whatever I'm saying to it and will go ahead and give me a framework that is actually usable. So you can see that it's plotting the growth strategy and then building the 12-month roadmap right here. You can see the things right here, and now you can see that it is starting to generate. So you can see a 12-month growth roadmap. So it's actually generating out the framework for me. So there's 3 phases, 5 pillar growth, 1 flywheel, as you can see. So it says attract, content, and SEO, enroll, funnel right here. So you can see that I have phase 1, which is the foundation for 1 to 3 months. Then you got phase 2, as you can see. So it's giving me a visual reference that I can actually look at, as you can see right here. So now this is from month 9 to 12. So you got the phase 1, you got the phase 2, you got the phase 3, as you can see right here. You can also see the revenue target and everything right here. And it is giving me North Star metric right here. So it goes ahead and gives me a market standard framework, as you can see right here, and even goes ahead and gives me an explanation of the strategic framework, as you can see right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want it to do, let's say, a SWOT analysis as well. So for that, I can simply go ahead and say, now do a SWOT analysis for this business right here. So once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and take this particular information and will do a SWOT analysis for me as well. So this is basically how you can work around with the framework development right here. So you can see that it's actually going ahead and then scanning out all of the contents right here, and now is giving me the framework right here. So you can see that it's giving me internal positive strengths right here, like for example, there's low overhead, high margin, scalable without hiring, passive recurring revenue model, and then you got the weakness, audience goal, start problem, and so forth. So I can see that it is starting to give me a visual framework right here for the SWOT analysis, where I have the strength, weakness, then you got opportunity, as you can see right here, like e-learning, market growing rapidly, B2B corporate licensing is there, underserved niche markets. Then you got the threat right here, like platform dependency risk, free content, raising the bar, and then you got credibility and trust barriers and so forth. So basically you can see that I got all of these generated out right here visually right here, and that is how you can go ahead and utilize Claude AI to generate out frameworks as necessary. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.